Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to use data packs in Minecraft. Data packs are fantastic tools that let you personalize your game, from altering loot tables to creating custom advancements, all without needing complex mods. They come as simple zip files, so finding and downloading them is usually straightforward. Just remember to grab them from trusted sources to keep your game safe and running smoothly. Now, let's get those data packs into your game. First, you'll need to find your Minecraft installation folder, then navigate to your saves folder, and finally, open the specific world folder you want to modify. Inside, you'll see a data packs folder. Simply drag and drop your downloaded data packs zip file right into it. Keep in mind, if a pack says unzip me, you'll need to extract its contents before placing the individual packs inside. Once your data pack is in the correct folder, it's time to activate it. If you're starting a new world, you'll find an option to enable data packs during the world creation screen. For existing worlds, simply open your chat and type /reload, then press enter. This command refreshes your world and loads the new pack. If you can't use commands, temporarily open your world to LAN and enable cheats to gain access. Sometimes, a data pack might not work as expected. A common issue is an incorrect file structure. Ensure the pack.mkmeta file is directly inside the zip, not buried in a subfolder. Also, double-check that the data pack is designed for your specific Minecraft version. If you're running several packs, try enabling them one at a time. This helps identify any conflicts that might be preventing them from functioning correctly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.